Okay, we're busy with Unit 9. This is 9.5c. We're going to draw the absolute value of this graph. This is now very important because normally in a test, this is what you can expect. You can expect something like this. Okay, so we're going to start doing the salient point. Salient point. And the salient point, as I said, works exactly like the parabola. So it's going to be 3 minus 6. It's not difficult at all. Then you're going to work out your x-intercepts, just like we did with the parabola. Turning point, x-intercepts, y-intercept. So here we're going to put everything equal to 0. Now you will see, now you're going to fall back on your work when we did solving absolute values. You see, we did that already. And when we did it, we said you must isolate the absolute value. So you must get it alone. And then you're going to have x minus 3 is 3. And then we said if you remove the two arms, you say 3 there, or you say minus 3. So x is going to be 6, or x is going to be 0. Okay, and then we just need the y-intercept. If I make x 0 now there, I'm going to get negative 3. Let me write it here. Y is 2, 0 minus 3, minus 6. So this gives me 2 times the absolute value of minus 3 minus 6. Now remember the absolute value of minus 3 is 3. So this is going to give me 6 minus 6. This is going to give me 0. It should give me 0 because one of my x coordinates is 0. So the graph must go through 0, 0. It's logical actually there. So okay, just be careful. All right. So let's draw it quickly. I'm just going to move it a little bit to the right. I'm going to do it here. Okay. And then put in my salient point. Salient point is 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6. It must go through 0. And it must go through 6. There we are. Going to do this one first. Okay, so go through there. And let's go back, sorry. Must be just here, okay. I think that will be fine. Right, there's my graph. Okay, I have 2 points there. I have 2 points there. I don't need to indicate anything else. I just need to find the two arms, the positive arm and the negative arm. Once again, You can work it out with your normal straight lines, 0, 0, and 3 minus 6, and you can get that equation. And you can use 3 minus 6 and 6, 0, and you can get that equation. Just make sure that you can find the arm, the two arms, because you're going to lose marks if you don't indicate them. Okay, but let me just do the curly brackets. So we have 2 absolute value x minus 3 and minus 6 here. And now we want to write it as a piecewise function. So it's 2 times the positive there, minus 6. And that is if x is greater than or equal to 3. Remember, this is always the vertex. It's easy. And then it's 2 times the negative there, minus x plus 3. Remember, it's just the positive and the negative inside the two parallel lines, inside the absolute value. It's not, it's just the negative. You just change here for the brackets now. You don't mess with the minus 6 and the 2. Okay, and please remember this is brackets now, not absolute value, because you already taken it out now. Okay, and I've chosen again my equal to be at the top. Okay, now I just need to put makeup on, make them nice. This is 2x minus 6, 2x minus 6 minus 6. This is going to be 2x minus 12. If x is greater than or equal to 3. So if this arm comes down here, it's going to go all the way through negative 12 here. But it cannot, it stops there, but that is what the line indicates. And then here we have minus 2x, and then you have 6 minus 6, which is 0. It's correct because it goes through 0, 0. Can't have a y-intercept. It must stop there. Okay, so this is the graph for this absolute value number C.